Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Steam is installed and you are signed into the same account that made the backup. Once done, connect the external drive or point to the folder holding the backup files. These are the CSD/CSM or backup folders Steam created. Next, open the Steam client, choose Steam menu, then Backup and Restore Games, and select Restore a previous backup. This kicks off the official process and ensures Steam recognizes the package and paths before any file transfer begins. You will see a list of backup packages. Select the specific game backup by name and date so you restore the right content. Once selected, make sure to choose the Steam library folder where you want the game installed and verify there is enough disk space. That prevents mid-restore failures. Then follow Steam's prompts to extract and reinstall the files. Let Steam handle file placement and any automatic updates. Do not interrupt the client while files are writing to disk, because that can corrupt the restored game. After Steam finishes extracting, you should run Verify Integrity of Game files from the game's properties to repair anything missing. Once done, launch the game to ensure it updates and runs normally. Steam may download a patch the first time. If you encounter a failure, make sure the backup was restored to the correct Steam library. Check library folders, VDF and app manifest files, or move the game folder into Steam/SteamApps/common, and then use Verify Integrity. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.